you're going to get a student job in just 5 minutes. Hello, I'm Chloe from Employment for Students, and we are a student job site who have spent over 20 years helping over 45 million students look for work. Our core aim is to essentially help students find any kind of work that they are looking for while studying. Whether that be a part-time job, an internship, or a graduate role, we cover it all, and we are here for every stage of your academic journey. So, for a bit of backstory on us, this is our website, and it is home to over 15,000 jobs from the UK's top employers. And the best thing is that all of our employers are specifically looking for students. So they are aware that you won't have that much experience. So every second you spend on our website isn't time wasted. All the jobs that you see, you will be able to apply for. We also help you navigate the application and assessment process through our handy advice pages. Here you can find out how to write a standout CV, how to impress at an assessment centre, and the all-important interview tips. We're now going to show you how you can use our website to bag yourself a student job. So we've divided our site into different categories of jobs. This is to essentially help you refine your search and find jobs that you actually want to apply for, saving you even more time and effort. Speaking of saving time and effort, we highly recommend that you register and complete your profile with us. It's completely free, and it just allows us to get to know you a little bit better and get a feel for the kind of jobs that you are looking for. We can then match you with our top employers that match your search criteria and send them straight to your inbox. This is just our way of giving you a helping hand on your job searching journey. I will get into more detail about the different components in here, but this is essentially where you're going to do a lot of the magic. So let's get to the job searching. So you'll start off up here where you'll be able to categorise the type of job that you're looking for. So for example, I will be looking for a part-time job. You can also then choose your preferred location. So for the example, I'm going to do London. This will then display a load of jobs that are relevant to that specific criteria. You can refine this even more. So if I point your eyes over to the left-hand side, you can go in here and really get nitty-gritty. So if you know that your timetable only allows you to work weekends, you can simply select that. If you know that you only specifically want a part-time job, you can also select this here. So currently it's saying full and part-time, but we can just select part-time, and then you can refine your search, and it will display a new list of jobs specific to that criteria. If you like the look of any of the jobs that you come across, you can simply save them and come back to them in your account later. Click the save button next to the job that you want to save. Now, if you're happy with this refined search, you can also go to this button. This will allow you to save this search criteria in your account, and you can access it later. I'm just going to go ahead and do this now. What this essentially means is if a new job goes live that matches this criteria, you will get that job straight to your inbox, so you won't miss any jobs that go live. If you find a job that you like and you just want to apply, you can simply click on the job and press the apply now button. Now this will take you to either page like you see here, where you'll fill in your details on the company website, or there will be an option for you to fill it out on our website as well. If you're a student who is completely unsure what sort of job they want to do, that's okay. On our site we have a whole host of dedicated pages to different types of roles. For example, work from home roles. In here you'll be able to see more information and explore the different types of roles within that particular sector, and maybe even find a company that you've never knew existed. You can actually look further into individual companies, find out a bit more about them and see if they're the sort of company that you want to work for. So let's show you how we do that now. So click on a job, and then you can click their name up here and find their company profile, where you'll find out more information about them. In here, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and access all of the jobs that they have available. Go back to our account and have a look at all the little tools that we've got in there. This is a super useful tool in allowing you to be in full control of your job search. So let's talk about CVs. In here, you can obviously add your CV. You can add multiple CVs. You're probably thinking, why would I add multiple CVs? Well, if you're applying for different types of roles, you're going to want to tailor your CV to each individual type of role. So say, for example, you're applying for a retail role and a marketing role. They're all very different. They're going to require different skills. So tailoring your CV to each of those different types of roles is a great thing to do, and you can add all of them in here so that when you're applying on the go, you have everything there. Now, as I showed you earlier, we saved some jobs, so you'll be able to find those in here. This is great for just creating a little mini shortlist of the different types of jobs that you want to apply for. If you do decide you want to apply, you just click on the job and it will take you straight back to the job ad. Now in here you can also view your job alerts. So as I showed you earlier, we created a job alert. This will now show up in here. If you then decide in the future that actually, no, I don't want to be notified every time a retail job goes live, you can just come in here and click the suspend and you will no longer receive notifications. So in summary, we highly recommend that you register with us. It is completely free. It just makes your whole life so much easier. If you want to register with us today, simply scan the QR code on the screen. You can also go to our website as well at www.e4s.co.uk and follow the steps that I showed you in this tutorial. I really hope this was helpful and hopefully you will bag a job in no time.